Freshers getting hired fastest in 2026 all have one thing in common. And no, it's not their GPA, it's not their college, and it's definitely not how many internships they have done. It's this: they know how to use AI tools in daily workflows. In this video, I'll show you the exact tools, how to use them, and how to put them on your resume so recruiters actually care. Welcome to Talented Simplified. I've spent almost 20 years on the hiring side, and this is where I tell you what actually matters. Let's get into it. Tool number 1: AI language tools. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you use them. Don't say I use ChatGPT. Say this instead: I used AI tools to summarize research and create client-ready insights, reducing reporting time by 40%. That's what gets you hired. Tool 2: Canva AI. If you're going into marketing, HR, sales, or any client-facing role, this is non-negotiable. You can generate full presentations in minutes. On your resume, say, created client-ready presentations using AI-assisted design tools, cutting production time by more than half. That's powerful. Tool 3: Notion AI. That is what companies are rolling out internally right now. If you already know it, you're instantly ahead. Say this: used AI workspace tools to manage projects, organize information, and summarize meetings. That alone sets you apart from most freshers. Tool 4: Job Scan. This one is about surviving the ATS. Paste your resume, paste the job description, you'll get a math score. Most freshers are below 45%. You need to be above 70%. That's the difference between getting seen and getting ignored. Tool 5: Google AI certifications. If you don't have experience yet, this builds credibility instantly. I've seen candidates win interviews just because they had one relevant certification. It matters. If you want a structured path, I've linked a full course below. It's one of the most recognized platforms, and it teaches AI for real business use. If you prefer something more flexible, there's also a second option with lifetime access. Both links are in the description box. Here's where most freshers fail. They know the tools, but they don't know how to talk about them. Use this formula: tool plus use case plus result plus learning. Example: I used AI tools in my project to reduce manual work by 50% and learned how to present AI outputs to non-technical audiences. That's how you stand out. Let's recap. Use AI for research, design, organization, and job applications. Pick one tool this week, learn it, use it, add it to your resume. Subscribe for more insider advice. Next video: will AI actually replace fresher jobs? I'll see you there.